Hello everyone and welcome on this new weekly market analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, it's my pleasure to announce that last week so far we have made around 330 pips of profit in our VIP group of Telegram, but also it's important to mention that the signals of Friday are still running so far and nothing happened yet. This is the VIP group of Telegram. As you can see, we had one signal EURUSD hit take profit level number 1 of 45 pips on Friday. USDJPY closed in 15 pips of loss. CAD GPY 45 pips of loss. The rest are still running, so we cannot really announce yet the final results. But we can see here the results of the rest of the week. It was very profitable. And also, I'm happy to say that we had also a review from one of the clients who actually was not happy in the past with the service, but he said that today I'm telling you, it was great for me last 3 days, it was good and make good money. Thank you so much for your comment, and I hope you're really still enjoying the VIP signals on Telegram, and hopefully we will do the best we can to deliver to you the best Forex signals from Xtreme Trader. So of course, my friends, if you want to join this VIP group of Telegram, please contact us today. You can find the contact details in the description below of this video. Contact us today, and hopefully we will see you there very soon. So now let's begin our weekly analysis, and as usual we will start with the EURUSD. So as you can see, last week I have sent a signal on the midweek analysis video to buy the EURUSD exactly from this level at 1.094, and as you can see, the gold has reversed exactly from that level. So this was surely a winning signal. So far it's running in around 80 pips of profit. Congratulations for those who have taken it, and please, my friends, if you took this signal, let me know in the comments what do you think about it, because it's almost hit the take profit level. So a winning signal for the EURUSD. That's a credit to Xtreme Trader family team. So now what's next with the signals? Let's now see. So EURUSD right now, based on the weekly chart, is actually moving in a very strong bullish movement, and finally the EURUSD has made the actual bullish breakout from the key level of a resistance at 1.098, which we have been talking about long time over the last 2 months. So anyway, the bullish breakout finally has happened. So now what's next with the EURUSD? Now, by simply looking at the weekly chart, we can notice here, of course, that we have a channel. And as we can see also, the EURUSD has indeed managed to break out from that long-term triangle, which actually has been lasted since oh my god, almost 2 years. Since November 2022, the market actually has formed here a triangle, and finally the EURUSD has managed to break out finally from that level of a triangle. So that means that this structure has finally been broken out from, which means, of course, a strong bullish movement. So let's now move to the daily chart to see in details what we can do next. So right here, daily chart shows us also, and allow me please to squeeze the chart like that, or the right term is lowering the price scale. This actually gives us a better view on the market. Now we can see clearly the charts, and we can see here, this is really not good, and this is better. So it gives us a better view on the chart. So again, we have here a broken triangle, as you can see. And now we have to study the market and make sure that the retest of the broken level of a resistance has already happened. Check this out. So right here exactly, let me just be accurate, exactly right there on our buy signal, this was of course a strong key level of a support, which also was in the past a key level of a resistance that instantly been broken out from, and right here of course the creation of the support number 1. So meaning the market has already retested the broken level of a resistance, and that means that the EURUSD most likely right now is going to continue the rise toward the real level of a resistance right here exactly, to be actually precise, right here at 1.112, which means the pair still has around 90, or actually let's say around 100 pips more to go. So again, confirmation on the weekly and daily chart of the direction that is going to be bullish. Now moving to the 4-hour time frame to find our entry and where exactly we can rebuy this pair again. Now it's important to understand that we have right here, of course, a Fibonacci retracement, and again the EURUSD has managed to make a bullish breakout from 61.8 retracement. That's interesting. So that means that the market most likely by the opening of the Monday, of the market on Monday morning, is gonna actually hit the level of a resistance at 1.103, and is gonna make a pullback, and then at a certain level we can buy the EURUSD again. So to find the answer, we have to, of course, apply right now the support trend lines. And again, I will squeeze the chart like that. So now we have here a clear triangle. Sorry, a clear chart. Now what we can see right here, of course, is a broken level of a support trend line. Check this out. Right here, exactly. So right here, of course, we have a support trend line number 1, 2, 3, which became a resistance trend line for once, and then instantly a fake breakout. And right now it became a support trend line. So right now, if the market will reverse upon the pressure of that resistance, it's going to make another pullback and reach Fibonacci 50. And that, in my opinion, gonna be the best level to rebuy the pair again. So meaning we have to wait for the EURUSD to fall to another around 30 pips, and that is gonna be the best level to buy the EURUSD again. But just to confirm, we have to look at the left side to find if there was indeed a strong level of a support on the same level. So scrolling right now to the left, what we want to see is a strong key level of a support on the same area. Indeed, we have here a key level of a support and, of course, a key level of a resistance, as we can see. That is so accurate, and I'm so proud of it. Keep scrolling to the left side. We need to see a clear level of a support, such as this one right here, as we can see here also. It became also a resistance. And again, right here, finally, we have a strong key level of a support on the same price. So again, confirmation that 1.099 is going to be actually a good level to rebuy the EURUSD again, and hopefully it will be a good signal, of course, toward the resistance at 1.112, which means we can look for around 125 pips. And in this case, our safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the support at 1.095, expecting of 47 pips of a safe zone against 124 pips of profit. Moving now to the Pound USD. So Pound USD also was a winner signal. As you can see, it has reversed exactly from the given price at 1.281 and went in the take profit level, making 84 pips of profit. That was, of course, my signal from the last midweek analysis video. Again, congratulations for those who have taken this signal and enjoying these pips of profit. But now, what's next with the Pound USD? Again, let's delete the signal. And by the way, my friends, come on guys, give me your comments, give me your likes, make the video alive. I mean, the weekly analysis video is not really what it used to be. We don't receive many comments as before. Please, my friends, hit the comments, hit the like button, and also say anything in the comments. Make the YouTube algorithm spread the video and deliver it to the to a wider range of viewers. So now, based on the weekly chart, again, we have a very strong bullish movement right now on the Pound USD. And what we can see here, first of all, is the retest of a broken level of a resistance exactly right here. So that was, of course, a real level of a resistance right here at 1.277. And right here, of course, we can see the retest of that level and a support number 1. Not only that, but we can see a very clear level of a broken resistance trend line, as we can see, exactly like this. So right here, resistance trend line number 1, 2, 3 has been indeed broken out from with that bullish breakout candle, and a support trend line number 1 has indeed been created. So again, another confirmation that the Pound USD is still going to continue the rise with a very strong bullish movement, and most likely it will continue the rise till it reach the resistance at 1.312, which means it still has around 200 pips more to go. So we can actually say that our next take profit level, based on the daily chart, that was of course the weekly chart, based on the daily chart, we can assume that the market will continue the rise toward the resistance at 1.310, which means that the pair still has around 165 pips more to go. But where exactly we can buy this pair? So daily, not only that, sorry, Fibonacci retracement also right here, showing a bullish breakout from 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. And as we know, if the trend moving in if we have a downtrend and we can see that the candles made a strong bullish breakout from 61.8, then it's no longer a bullish, it's no longer a downtrend. It's now going to be an upper trend, which means a strong bullish movement right now above 61.8. So again, another confirmation that we have to consider buying the Pound USD. Now, simply by looking at daily chart, we can notice clearly that we had right here, of course, a broken level of a resistance exactly at 1.289. So that was, of course, the broken level of a resistance, and there lies the nearest level of a key support to that bullish breakout candle. That's my strategy is all about. Look for the bullish breakout candle, and then of course from a resistance, and then look at the nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle, which lies exactly right here. And most likely, if the market is going to make a pullback, buying from here is going to be the best decision in my opinion, targeting at least the nearest level of a resistance as we have stated earlier. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame, just to confirm that. Now, as you can see, this level right here has already been retested with that, that tail right here shows that the market has already retested that level of a previous support. So a very strong bullish movement is detected. Now, let me just raise my line right here to be exactly right here at this level of a previous support, which was the nearest level of a key support to that bullish breakout candle at 1.290. So meaning we can expect to buy the pair right from there if it's going to make a pullback to around 37 pips, and targeting of course the nearest level of a key resistance at 1.302, which means our take profit level will be around 126 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support right here as well, and the resistance at 1.286, ranging for around 42 pips of safe zone against 126 pips of profit. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Alright, so actually another winning signal from the Xtreme Trader family. AUDUSD signal, my friends, has also been activated from the last midweek analysis signals and hit the take profit level, making around 78 pips of profit. Again, congratulations for those who have taken it and enjoyed these pips of profit. And again, guys, blow the video with the comments. We need to see at least 100 comments on this video, at least 300 likes if it's possible, of course. Anyway, now actually for the AUDUSD, I think I don't even need to move to the weekly or daily chart. It's so obvious and clear to me now what is gonna be next. Right here, of course, we have a strong key level of a support, as we can see right now, and that level of a support, in my opinion, cannot be ignored right after the very strong bullish movement or a breakout from this long-term resistance right here at 0.662. In my opinion, right now the AUDUSD is actually facing right here a resistance, and right now we can expect a pullback to happen by the opening of the market on Monday, and that level of a previous key level of a support will definitely gonna be retested, and there is now a lot of pressure on the AUDUSD on that zone of a support right here. That is gonna make a pressure on the pair to continue the rise, so the bulls are actually controlling the market right now, and they will continue pushing the market to continue the rise toward the resistance right here exactly at 0.673. And of course, by using the confirmation of the Fibonacci retracement, we can actually confirm that we can expect from the market to continue the fall and retest the broken level of a resistance at Fibonacci 61.8, which means we most likely gonna have to wait for the AUDUSD to fall to another, let me just be sure, exactly right there, at 0.663, little bit above 61.8. The reason to buy the AUDUSD from here is, of course, the strong key level of a support, as we can see right here. I'm not expecting from the AUDUSD to fall exactly to 61.8. It will most likely reverse at the highest level of a previous resistance, which was also a support in the past, and then the market will continue the rise. So therefore, we can expect from the market to make a drop, a pullback to around 30 pips, and then we can proceed to buy it. However, the safe zone in this case should not actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a key resistance right here exactly, or a support as well, sorry, and the key resistance at 0.660, ranging for around 36 pips only, and targeting at least 94 pips of profit at the resistance of 0.673. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USD CAD. So USD CAD signal has not been triggered, but it reversed just like 9 pips far away from the entry and went all the way right here in the right direction. So again, the direction at least was correct for the USD CAD, but unfortunately this signal hasn't been triggered. Now what's next with this pair? Now moving to the daily chart. Again, on the daily chart, we can spot here a very strong bearish movement right now. Over the last almost like 10 days, we can see here a very strong bearish candles, faced a very tiny small blue candles, and instantly been facing here a strong bearish candles. So the size of the candles here telling us the strong bearish movement is continuing, and most likely we can expect to sell the USD CAD at a certain point next Monday. So right now actually the pair is facing right here a support, as we can see right now. So there is a support zone right here as 1.367. So if the market is going to make any pullbacks, now in my opinion, selling the USD CAD right here exactly at this level of a key resistance at 1.320, or sorry, 370, it's going to be the best opportunity for us. Why? Because right here, of course, we have a broken level of a key support, and that there goes, the bearish breakout candle. And by looking at the left side, we can see here clearly that this right here was the nearest level of a resistance to that bearish breakout candle. In my opinion, this is one winning strategy I'm offering for free on my channel. And in my opinion also, it's a very simple and basic way to find the next entry without any complexity. I mean, let's make it very simple, my friends. We don't really need to talk about the trend lines or anything else. I mean, I believe it's gonna be really a good signal to sell the USD CAD exactly from here. But moving now to the 4-hour time frame is showing something else. Moving here to the 4-hour time frame, I can clearly see right here exactly, right there at 1.371, that we had right here, of course, the nearest level of a resistance to that bearish breakout candle. So what you simply do, my friends, is simply look at the bearish breakout candle and then look at the left side to find the nearest level of a resistance and place your trade accordingly on the same level. So we have here a support, and there a resistance. Even in the past, it was indeed a key level of a resistance. So meaning 1.371 cannot be ignored. And therefore, we have to wait for the pair to rise to another 35 pips before we can proceed to sell the USD CAD. However, if we did that, we will actually be targeting the lowest level of a key support at 1.361, expecting around 97 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a key resistance right here exactly at 1.375, ranging for around 43 pips only against 97 pips of profit. That's everything for the USD CAD. Let's now move to the NZD/USD. Alright, so here unfortunately the NZD/USD signal has failed, but thankfully the safe zone was ranging only for 37 pips. I mean, EURUSD gave us 80 pips of profit, GBPUSD gave us 78 pips of profit, AUDUSD gave us, I think, around 60 pips of profit. So thankfully we were able to recover all of this small loss from the other three signals, which I think is a really good deal for everybody. However, in my opinion, NZD/USD signal will remain the same. My original analysis was actually relying on that level of a previous key support level, and of course, my friends, that is from my midweek analysis video if you are following my channel. So that level of a previous key level of a support has already become here a resistance. Now we have here one fake breakout from that level. So if the NZD/USD is going to make another pullback, I'm expecting from the same level of the support is still going to be respected, in my opinion. So I think that we can actually still keep running this signal. And just a final confirmation, we can see clearly that we had right here, of course, a real level of a support trend line. Let me just now squeeze the chart right here a little bit, just like that, so it can give me actually a clear view. Exactly. So right here we can see clearly that we had, of course, a support trend line that faced a fake breakout, not a fake breakout, sorry, because we have here a resistance trend line that actually when the market created, or actually attempted to create a second attempt of the resistance trend line, it instantly broke out from it. So right now, if the NZD/USD is gonna ever make any pullbacks, I'm expecting from it to respect the same level of the support trend line. Now, what's telling me that is the is the fake breakout right here. That tells us actually a lot. That tells us that the market has actually, how can I say this? I mean, it was really unstable right here, but eventually the NZD, I mean, even after the bearish breakout right here, the NZD/USD has actually managed to climb its way back to the same level after the creation of the bearish breakout candle. So meaning that level of a support now most likely is gonna be finally respected, along with these support trend lines right here. Now a lot of pressure on that level right here exactly. So therefore we can expect from the NZD/USD right now to reverse at that level toward our take profit level. So therefore, NZD USD signal from the last midweek analysis video remains just the same. And by that, let's now move to the USD CHF. Now, of course, unfortunately, USD CHF signal has entirely failed. However, the sell is still running. So, of course, we have to right now to delete this signal. And let's now see what we can do next with this pair. Now, by moving to the weekly chart, we can notice here a very strong bearish movement has been detected. And the market, after the appearance of that strong bearish breakout candle, which was ranging for around total of 300 pips. That's insane. Then the next candles shown a very strong, a very weak blue candles with, the market actually closed with only 30 pips of movement last week, sorry. So a very strong bearish movement has been detected and a strong key level of a resistance has been respected. So meaning that level of a resistance right here is still holding the position and the market closed right below that level of a resistance. So by moving right now to the daily chart, we can notice here, of course, that the market indeed respected that level of a resistance at 0.870. And right now, a bearish movement has also been detected right here. So most likely right now, the USD CHF will also continue the fall toward the real level of a support right here. Let me just be clear. To be exactly right here as 0.657. The USD CHF, in my opinion, won't make any moves farther until it reaches that level of a previous support. Why? Because the market has indeed respected all of those levels of a resistance trend line, as we can see, exactly like this. And also, if we complete here a channel, we can expect from the USD CHF to continue the fall even toward this level of a support right here at 0.846 to complete, of course, the channel of a support trend line right here. So a strong bearish movement also on the USD CHF. So therefore, by moving right now to the 4-hour time frame and even to the 1-hour time frame, now we can expect from the USD CHF to make a pullback. In my opinion, the best level to resell this pair is going to be right here exactly at the key level of a resistance, which was, of course, a resistance number 1 at 0.868, which was, of course, a key level of a resistance in the past. So there is a possibility for this pair to make a pullback and to reach the same level of a resistance to create a resistance number 2. And afterward, the market most likely is going to continue the fall at least toward the support right here at 0.857. I think it's a very simple and straightforward signal. We don't really need more analysis than this. So we have to wait for the pair to rise to another around 30 pips or 28 pips, and we will be targeting the lowest level of a real support right here exactly at 0.857. So it's going to be ranging for around we can expect around 115 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't also be ranging higher than the top of the resistance at 0.872, ranging for around 40 pips only. And there goes your signals, my friends, for the USD pairs for the upcoming week. I really hope it's going to be a profitable week for everybody, and hopefully we will all make good profits together. And of course, don't forget to join our VIP group of Telegram to receive these awesome signals and be one of the clients again of our VIP group. And don't forget, guys, that you can actually expect to change your mind anytime. I mean, maybe you have joined in the past our VIP signals and you were not happy with the experience. Remember this gentleman here who actually was just in your position, but thankfully right now he's enjoying the services, and we really hope it's gonna continue this way. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.